than many chemical store-bought solutions. First, add 4 ounces of dish soap. Any brand will do. As long as it's a powerful grease cutter, it's perfect for this trick. Now, let's add 1 full tablespoon of salt. I prefer coarse salt because it gives a bit more grit to our formula. Time for the real magic. Vinegar. Add 4 ounces of regular white vinegar. The reaction that happens when vinegar meets our other ingredients is where the power begins. It loosens, dissolves, and breaks down buildup that causes slow drains. Mix everything together until the color becomes creamy or cloudy. That means it's ready. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now that our solution is prepped, let's go to the sink. If you've ever dealt with a slow or clogged drain, you know how frustrating it can be. Whether it's food scraps in the kitchen or hair in the bathroom, it's a common problem, and this fix works like a charm. First things first, if there's standing water in the sink, remove as much of it as possible. The drier the sink, the more directly our mixture can do its job. Now, take about 2 heaping tablespoons of baking soda and pour them straight into the drain opening. You don't need to be exact, just make sure there's a good amount to coat the pipe walls. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Here comes the fun part. Grab that powerful mixture we made earlier and pour it directly over the baking soda. Instantly, you'll hear a fizzing, bubbling sound, and you'll see foam starting to rise. That's the reaction in action. It's literally eating away the gunk and grease hiding in your pipes. Leave it alone for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, all the grime is loosening up. And here's the key. Don't touch it. Let the ingredients work on their own. Now we'll flush it all down. Fill your sink with hot water, use the hottest your tap can give, and let it build up a bit. Then, release it all at once. The force of the hot water will push everything that's been broken down completely out of your drain. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Watch closely. If everything worked right, the water will flow out perfectly, just like new. No more bubbling, no more backup, and no more bad odors. The best part? This is safe for your plumbing, eco-friendly, and uses ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Put detergent on a paper towel and thank me for the rest of your life. This is what the rich do and don't want you to know. I'll show you how simple it is. You only need to take a piece of paper towel and add a little detergent. Prioritize the best-smelling detergent you have at home. If you don't have detergent, don't worry. Liquid soap works just as well. Once you've added the detergent, spread it evenly on the paper towel. The next step is to let the paper towel dry. To do this, place it on a clothesline and leave it overnight. This ensures the paper is completely dry. You'll notice the paper towel absorbs the detergent and becomes slightly stiffer when it dries. That's the result we want. Once the paper towel is completely dry, cut it into small pieces. Fold the paper a few times to make it easier to cut, and use sharp scissors to make the cuts. Try to make the pieces uniform in size, as this will help in the next step. You're probably wondering what all this is for. Stay with me until the end of the video, and you'll be surprised at how practical this technique is. These small pieces of paper towel with detergent are extremely useful. Let me explain how. Once you've cut the paper, store the pieces in a small bag or container you can carry with you. I'll show you what this technique, used daily by the rich, famous, and millionaires, is for. When you're traveling, at work, or anywhere without easy access to water and soap, these paper towel pieces will be your lifesaver. If you need to wash your hands, just grab a piece of paper with detergent and dampen it slightly. Rub it on your hands, and you'll see it lathers a lot, effectively cleaning your hands. It's a simple but extremely useful technique, especially in emergencies. Besides being practical, the paper with detergent has a pleasant smell, leaving your hands clean and fragrant. This is one of those tricks that seem simple but make a big difference in daily life. Try it out and see how easy it is to stay clean and hygienic anywhere. Leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this tip in the comments. If you're going to try it at home, take the opportunity to tell me which city and country you're watching this video from. That way, I can get to know the people watching better. If you're not following our page yet, consider following us to receive videos like this. We post daily videos to help you in your day-to-day life. I'm sure you won't regret it if you try it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Did you know that if you raise 2 fingers and make this hand movement, you can regulate your blood pressure, preventing obesity, diabetes, and blocked veins? Improve your brain health with these 4 powerful exercises. Do these exercises every day. You only need to do 8 repetitions of each. You'll need to be very focused. This will help you have a sharper mind. It will also improve your memory and your ability to recall things. Do it like this every day. Save this video and practice these exercises daily. Your health will thank you. Protect your heart with this powerful exercise. You just need to do this exercise 100 times a day. Simply press your thumb with your index or middle finger and make this movement. This way, you'll be protecting your heart. What are you waiting for? Save this video and practice this exercise daily. Your heart will thank you. Do you want to have a healthy heart? Then practice this powerful movement with both hands. This exercise will also help improve your blood vessels, preventing strokes. Do this exercise firmly like this for 5 minutes a day, and you will have a strong heart. So what are you waiting for? Practice this exercise every day. Improve your brain and memory health by doing this powerful exercise. Do it every morning for 5 minutes on each hand. Practicing this exercise will bring many benefits to your mind. So, what are you waiting for? Save this video and practice it daily. Your brain will thank you. Do this powerful exercise every day for 60 seconds. Use your index finger and thumb like this. Many people can't do this neurodynamic exercise. This movement will help improve your coordination. Start today, and with regular practice, you'll see great progress. Eliminate sadness and depression with this powerful exercise. Just press your thumb with the other 4 fingers of your hand. Do this every day for 5 minutes with both hands, and you'll see your mood improve and your day become more productive. So, what are you waiting for? Save this video and practice every day, and your health will improve. Now tell me, which of these exercises was most useful to you? That's it for now. Big hugs. God bless you.